Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create and save a thumbnail size preset in Photoshop. You can use these simple steps every time you make a new thumbnail. When you open Photoshop for the first time, you will see this page. You click on New File first. On the right side of the screen, click on Centimeters and then the menu will open and change it to pixels. For a YouTube thumbnail size, you need to use pixels. Set the Y to 1280 and the height to 720. This is the size of a YouTube thumbnail. Click then on the second icon for a landscape. This is the correct format for a YouTube thumbnail. And then make sure to select RGB. Remember, RGB is for digital work and CMYK is for print work. And a YouTube thumbnail size is digital, so you need RGB. You can adjust the bit depth, but I recommend keeping it 8-bit. An 8-bit image in Photoshop is good for a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnails are small and 8-bit color depth provides enough colors, so choose 8-bit. Using 8-bit images keeps the file size manageable, which helps with faster loading and uploading your thumbnail on YouTube. And then you can choose to set the background color of your design. You can choose white, black or custom color. I usually set it to transparent and then I click on the most important button in this video, and that is the Save button, to save your design format. Give your format a name and it will be saved in your presets. Every time you open Photoshop, you can go to your saved presets and open your thumbnail format design. Just click on Create and you can start making your thumbnail. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and I will do my best to help you.